Kumusta yung performance namin? Sabi nila H okay daw.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Pero bago kami magsimula ulit, gusto lang namin magpakilala. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ang mga pala si Pablo.
Hi everyone, my name is Tel.
Hi everyone, I'm Justin.
Hello everyone, I'm Josh.
Hello everyone, I'm Ken.
Of course, we are SB19! Ayala, 18. Kamusta naman yung first performance namin ng Burn the Flame? Parang medyo mahina. Kamusta yung performance namin?
For sure, nagustuhan nila yan.
Salamat, salamat.
Saka, grabe. Parang naka-million streams agad to.
Ah, talaga?
Oo.
Alam ko, ano pa siya eh. Yung sales worldwide na top
Yeah,
niya.
oo.
Pito ba yun? Pang
Hindi ko na maalala, pero...
Pero maraming salamat sa suporta niyo sa SB19, sa kanta, and syempre sa HOK. Para po sa mga hindi nakakaalam, yung Burn the Flame po is the official soundtrack of Honor of Kings. So sana po nagustuhan niyo yung performance.
Yes. Sayang, di ka sumali pre. Dapat sumali ka. Sana nakaabot tayo sa finals, di ba?
Sayang eh.
Pero we just want to congratulate everyone, of course, for the finalists. And sa lahat ng lumahok dito sa country natin, sa home country. Balita ko, hindi syempre nakapasok ang home country. But next time, alam naman natin, palag-palag yan. But we're very thankful. We just want to, syempre, take this opportunity to, of course, promote our upcoming tour. It's gonna be this week na. We're gonna be going to Australia. That's gonna be on December 5 at Melbourne Town Hall. And so December 6, Sydney at Northwest Convention Center. December 12, Auckland, the Trust Arena. December 14 at Red Hill Auditorium.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And the tickets are available at humanitix.com for Melbourne, Sydney, and Auckland. And also visit mushtix.com for Perth. So yeah, I hope you can get your tickets.
May gusto lang yung tanong, napakinggan nyo na ba yung The First Take performances namin? Napanood nyo na yung Dam? How about Time? Oh, na-enjoy nyo ba yung performance namin sa The First Take? Yeah, and to those na hindi pa napapanood yung performances namin sa The First Take, you can listen to our performance sa TFT YouTube channel. And kung yung mga friends nyo hindi pa napapanood, send nyo sa kanila yung link para mapanood nila. Yes, that's right.
And of course, gusto ko po na magpasalamat sa lahat ng nakinig ng Burn the Flame. And syempre, nakasali siya sa Billboard World Digital Sales. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. 18, especially sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat. And of course, gusto niyo pa ba na isa?
Of course.
I said you guys want more! Let's go for our next one. It's Moscow Dunka. Let's go!